Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to foam roll using this bad boy over here. Kind of a couple principles you got to take care of. First and foremost, find a roller that's kind of smooth. You don't want something that's too jagged for this.
I'll take that.
Secondly, it's for your IT band. You got a couple of bony prominences, one over here and one over here, so you don't want to roll through those two. You want to just start off by setting a muscle into it and then just gently gliding through it, kind of like this. Okay? And you can kind of use this to assess where it's tight. You can walk through. Okay. And then if you find a tight spot, you can just hang out and chill over there as well.
We'll make sure we
And then if you really want, you can just hover back and forth in that tight spot. Okay? Otherwise, that's pretty much that basic.